Hey, you got some more from Joe. It's KZ here from Cape Town. How you doing? How you doing? I first off want to say thank you very much, Farad. Farad is the guy from Homegrown Distributions, and they sent me a few things, including this number over here. Now this is the Centaurus Q200 from Lost Vape. As the name states, it's a 200 watt mod, so it runs all the way from 5 to 200 though. Dual 18650 battery, and it's got the Quest 2.0 chip inside of it, and it has got swappable panels. So without any further ado, let's go down for a closer view. Centaurus Q200 box mod with the specific color variation which I am going to get. Now they do come in a total variety of 8 different colors, which you can see along the side over there. And yeah, let's open the box. All you do is you squeeze this little guy out, there you go, and then very nicely they've got places for the thumbs, so you can just put this little thumb over there and there you go. So you're going to get a manual. The manual is actually very short. I think it's only the first 1-2 pages, and then it starts with a different language. There's a whole variety of languages in here. Inside this little guy there's going to be your Type-C USB charging cable. And you will also be getting this, which I've actually already removed, but I will show you what the function of this guy is a bit later. But it looks like a guitar pick, but it's not. And then we've got our mod. And then underneath you're going to get this little guy, which they actually tell you how exactly to use this. And last but not least, you've got a warranty card. Okay, now this is a zinc alloy stainless steel construction. Height is 91, it is 55, and it is 26, which means you will get a 26mm on here. The colors I've already actually shown you. Now as I said, it is a dual battery mod. If you look at this latch, you're just going to pull this latch this way, and it actually does lift up a little portion over there. And then underneath they do give you the battery polarity. So let's just quickly put that in. This guy's going to be positive that side, and that side is going to be negative that side. And then just pull it forward and push it in, and there you go. And that's our battery. You also automatically see this guy is switched on, but if it's not on 5 clicks, you know the drill, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Lost Vape. We have the standard 0.96 inches OLED screen in color. The input voltage of this guy is 6 to 8.4 volts. The battery voltage is 3 to 4.2 volts. And the output voltage is 0.7 to 8 volts. And as I said, this guy's got a power range of 5 to 200 watts. And it does round robin. Let's quickly move it to over there. Just want to show you the round robin. You can also see the speed. Initially it starts off with 0.5 increments, but immediately jumps to 1 watt increments, and then it actually speeds up at around 40-50 watts, and there you go, all the way to 200. And if you press it again, it's going to round robin all the way. Alright, so I'm going to put mine on 90 watts. That's where I'm going to vape. And if you individually change, you can see it's going to be 0.5 increments if you do it via the button. Okay, I'll be keeping mine there. You just quickly put on an atomizer. I'm going to run the Eclipse Dual on top of this. Let me show you now. But yeah, on the screen you will see the individual charging levels of your 2 batteries. You will have your mode displayed here on this side. And then you've got the resistance of the coils, which is currently 0.23 for the dual coils in here. And then you've got a normal setting over there, which I'll show you just now, and then puff, and then the setting itself. So if you want to change something, all you're going to do is you're going to go with the up and down button, so that this little blue icon jumps around, this little blue highlight. So first of all, if you look at the power, I'm going to show you the various modes. You've got the power mode, you've got bypass mode, voltage mode, variable power curves, and you've got the 4 different wires for temperature control. You've got nickel over there, titanium, stainless steel 316 and stainless steel 904, and then back to power. If you want to adjust any one of those things, all you go is you jump back with the up and down button to the next one, and then you can go up and down and change your wattage or whatever mode you are currently running it in. And then if you go down further, there's 3 memories which you can go and set over there, presets. If you go to normal, it's the little boost which you're going to go and get. You can have a soft, or you can have a hard, or you can have a normal vape. I'm running it on normal now. That's the preheating. And then the puff counter, you'll only see it's 4 digits. So at 9,999 it's going to reset. And yeah, and then you can furthermore go into settings where you can have a look at the information regarding your atomizer. You can go back. You've got your screen, the brightness of your screen. That's fine over there. The color of your screen, Alright, I'm going to keep mine blue. I like blue. And then for user, that's where you can set your 3 memory settings for depending on the mode and etc. that you can customize for yourself. And then you can go and reset, and about it's going to give you probably the software version. If you want to lock the device, you're going to press the up and the down button simultaneously. And there you go, there it's locked. If you want to unlock it, keep it in, and there you go, it's unlocked. And that's basically the functionality which it has. Let's quickly see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, now that's that. That is what you're going to have with this guy. And then furthermore, you will actually see you've got your Type-C charging port over there. And as I said, please do not use this necessarily for charging unless you do not have any other option. But this guy is firmware upgradable, and that's what you're going to use this little cable for. But yeah, you've got Centaurus Quest along the side. As I said, these panels are not real wooden panels, but they are magnetic panels and can actually be removed. So now you can use this little guy to actually remove this panel, because these panels are swappable. Let's just get a little spot over there. There you go. I think that's probably the best spot to actually remove it. And yeah, they're very, very nicely, very strongly held in place with magnets. You can hear that clip. So access at the bottom is probably going to be the easiest with the least probability of damage. Here you go. And you do have a spring-loaded 510. Okay, let's go to the top. And there you have it. On top of this guy, I've got the Eclipse Dual, and I just think this combination looks absolutely beautiful, absolutely great. In case you're wondering what are the panels which you're able to swap this with, I will show you that over there. But basically it's the panels of the other different color variations which you can decide what you're going to put on there. But this one looks great as it is. Would have loved the abalone one, but I don't think there's abalone panels available for this. All I can tell you is if you don't like this mod, it must be because of the way it looks. That's about that. But I mean, I like the way it looks. I like the featuring of the Quest chip. This guy gives you a lot of options to actually vape in. I mean, you bypass all those kind of numbers. You saw it there. I'm not going to repeat it. But yeah, it is very well assembled. There's no rattling on this guy. It absolutely looks beautiful. The finishing of this guy is cool beans. The screen is nice and clear. I mean, you can change your colors of the screen as well to maybe fit your drip tip. I've got no idea. Currently there is a bit of spacing left for this guy. As I said, it can take a 26mm. The edges are fairly rounded. It's not that it's uncomfortable. There are more comfortable mods which will fit in the hand for sure, but I mean, it's by far not uncomfortable, put it that way. And I think it's a beautiful, lovely looking mod. I mean, I'm a big Lost Vape fan, and they have brought out a few duds though, but not many. But this is not definitely one of them. Functionality wise, great, absolutely great, very easy to operate. USB charging cable is included. They even give you this little guy to actually remove the panels, which is sweet beans. In any case, I like it. I like it. You came, you saw, you decide. This is Case signing over now. Cheers.